Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If your Google is filtering your search results, let's quickly turn Safe Search off so you get full access. Open the Google app or go to the google.com on your browser. Now tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. And here, find this option called Safe Search and tap on it. Under Safe Search, uncheck or toggle off the option that says Filter Explicit Results. As you can see, my Safe Search is now off. If you're using Google Family Link or a school or work account, you might not be able to change this. It's managed by your administrator, and that's it. Now your search results are unrestricted. Like and follow for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.